Hello there everyone and welcome to the Fabulous Florets layering guide video. So first up I'm going to be taking the largest of the flowers and I'm going to ink up the outline using the beautiful obsidian black. This is going to give me a really crisp outline to this beautiful delicate image. So once I have that in place, I'm then going to take the corresponding base layer for this one, and for this one I'm going to be using the Misty Morning ink. So I'm going to ink my stamp up and I'm going to place this directly over that stamped image that we already have in place, and this fits perfectly within the lines, so this is a really easy one to layer up. Once that one is in place, I'm then going to take the second layer. Now I'm just going to pop this into place without actually inking it up, just to make sure I know where it's going to go. I'm then going to place my block into place. Now this one I'm going to line up with the tips of the petals and around one of the edges of the petals. So this one's again really easy to fit into place. It fits within the outline perfectly. It doesn't go over in any way, shape or form. So I'm just going to place this into place, and for this one I have used the Cloudy Sky ink, and I'm just going to press it down so it's nicely inked. Next up I'm going to take the center of the flower, and this is the bit that goes around the edge, and for this one I'm just inking this up using the pumpkin pie ink, and that one fits perfectly within those little circles. Next up I'm going to go with the center, and for this one I have used the yellow ochre, and that's just going to go simply in the center of those little ring of circles that we've just stamped. For the next flower, again for the outline I'm using the obsidian black, and I'm just going to stamp that into place there. For the base layer of this one, I've chose to go a slightly darker color, so I'm using the Cloudy Sky for the base layer on this one. And again, this one is going to fit directly into that outline image. So it's a really easy one to layer up, and it looks so beautiful when stamped. I'm then going to take the second layer, and for this one it lines up with the tips and again are on those edges of those petals. So for this one I am going to go with the Nimbus ink, one of my favorites. So again I'm just going to ink this up, and then when I place it into place I'm looking through the top of my block so I can get this stamped perfectly. Once that is in place, I'm then going to stamp the centers of these. I'm going to use the same colors as before. So for the little round circles that go around the center, I'm going to go with the pumpkin pie. And for the one that's in the centerpiece, I'm then going to go with the yellow ochre as well. So once those are done, there's the flowers completed. I'm then going to move on to the leaves. For the leaf outline, I have used the obsidian ink. And for this base layer, I'm using the beautifully soft Minty Mint. Again, as before, this is going to fit directly inside that outline image that we have. For the second layer of the leaf, I'm using the Sweet Leaf, and this one is going to line up along the base of that leaf and just over that fold as well. So it's a really easy one to pop into place. Again, for the second leaf, the outline is the obsidian, and then the base layer, which fits directly inside, is the Minty Mint. And for this second layer, it's just going to line up right at the base of that leaf, and that is the Sweet Leaf. I really do hope that this video helps you, and we'll see you again really, really soon. Bye bye.